Artificial intelligence is changing the world at lightning speed. But behind the innovation, there's a storm brewing. One of the world's biggest AI startups has just been forced to pay $1.5 billion in a massive copyright lawsuit. This isn't just another tech story. This case could completely reshape how AI companies work, how creators get paid, and who controls the future of artificial intelligence. So, what really happened? Why is an Amazon-backed AI company in so much trouble? And most importantly, what does this mean for you and me? Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe so you know what is going on. Let's break it down. Who is Anthropic? To understand this case, we first need to know who Anthropic is. Anthropic is one of the most important AI startups in the world. It was founded by former OpenAI researchers, the same people who helped build the early versions of ChatGPT. Their main product is Claude AI, a direct competitor to ChatGPT. Think of it as another super powerful chatbot, trained to answer questions, write essays, code, and more. Big tech believes in them. Amazon has invested $4 billion into Anthropic. Google has also backed them. This isn't a small player in the AI game. Anthropic is right at the center of the global AI race. But with great power comes big legal problems. What happened in the lawsuit? Here's where things get messy. A group of authors discovered that their books were being used to train Anthropic's AI models. But these weren't licensed books. Many of them were pirated copies. The authors sued Anthropic, claiming massive copyright infringement. They argued that their creative work had been stolen to make a private company billions of dollars. The case went to court. And the result was huge. Anthropic agreed to pay $1.5 billion in damages. That comes out to about $3,000 per pirated book. And it didn't stop there. Anthropic has also been ordered to destroy all the illegal datasets that contained those books. This isn't just a fine. It's a major precedent that could affect every AI company moving forward. Why do AI companies use copyrighted material? You might be wondering, why would Anthropic risk something like this? The answer is simple. AI needs data. A lot of data. To train a large language model like Claude or ChatGPT, you need billions of words. Books, articles, websites, scripts, everything. The bigger the dataset, the smarter the AI becomes. But here's the catch. The internet is full of copyrighted material. Songs, novels, screenplays, research papers. And separating what's free from what's protected is extremely difficult. AI companies argue that training on copyrighted works counts as fair use, a legal concept that allows limited use of copyrighted material. But this case shows that the courts aren't buying that argument. And if more lawsuits follow, it could change how AI is built forever. The impact on creators. This lawsuit is a big win for creators. For years, authors, musicians, and artists have complained that AI companies are using their work without permission. This case proves that they can fight back and win. Imagine if every author, every musician, every YouTuber could demand licensing fees when their content is used to train AI. That could mean billions of dollars flowing back to creators. It could also change how creative industries work. AI companies might have to pay royalties, the same way Spotify pays musicians when their songs are streamed. But here's the question. Will this make AI more fair, or will it slow down innovation? The impact on AI companies. For the AI industry, this is a nightmare scenario. Training data just became a legal minefield. Companies can't just scrape the internet anymore. They might have to license every piece of content they use. That means higher costs, higher risks, and fewer new players in the AI space. In fact, only the biggest tech giants, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, may be able to survive. Small AI startups could be crushed by legal fees and licensing costs. And who pays for that in the end? The users. Subscription prices for AI tools could skyrocket. This lawsuit might mark the end of the Wild West of AI training. What are the government regulation and the future of AI? Governments are now paying close attention. This case puts pressure on lawmakers to regulate AI training data. We could see new laws like an AI Transparency Act, forcing companies to disclose exactly what datasets they're using. Europe is already ahead. The EU is pushing for stricter AI rules than the US or China. The future of AI might not be decided in Silicon Valley, but in courtrooms and parliaments around the world. So what does all this mean? Anthropic's $1.5 billion settlement isn't just about one company. It's about the future of artificial intelligence itself. We're at a turning point. Will AI companies be forced to pay creators fairly? Or will lawsuits and regulations slow down innovation and hand control to only a few giant corporations? One thing is clear: this is just the beginning. The next few years will decide who really owns AI: the tech giants, the governments, or the creators themselves. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think AI should pay creators for using their work? Or do you think this will kill innovation? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into AI and tech. Because the story of AI is just getting started.